আজকে স্পিকিং টপিক হচ্ছে ডেইলি রুটিনস। তো আমরা আমাদের স্পিকিংকে ইমপ্রুভ করতে পারি দুটি উপায়ে। একটি হচ্ছে ভালোভাবে শুনতে হবে, দুই শুনতে হবে এবং রিপিট করতে হবে। তাই বেশি দেরি না করে শুরু করা যাক আজকের ভিডিও। নাও লেটস টক অ্যাবাউট ইয়োর মর্নিংস। হোয়াট ডু ইউ হ্যাভ ফর ব্রেকফাস্ট? হোয়াট ডু ইউ হ্যাভ ফর ব্রেকফাস্ট? I have eggs for breakfast. I have eggs for breakfast. Who cooks your breakfast? Who cooks your breakfast? My mom cooks my breakfast. My mom cooks my breakfast. Where do you go after breakfast? Where do you go after breakfast? I go to school after breakfast. I go to school after breakfast. What time do you have breakfast? What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. Do you do exercise in the morning? Do you do exercise in the morning? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I don't. Tell me more about your mornings. Tell me more about your mornings. I wash my face. I get dressed and I go to school. Now let's talk about your evenings. What do you eat for dinner? What do you eat for dinner? I eat rice and eggs for dinner. I eat rice and eggs for dinner. Who cooks your dinner? Who cooks your dinner? My dad cooks my dinner. My dad cooks my dinner. Where do you have dinner? Where do you have dinner? I have dinner in the kitchen. I have dinner in the kitchen. How many hours do you do your homework? How many hours do you do your homework? I do my homework in 2 hours. I do my homework in 2 hours. Tell me more about your evenings. Tell me more about your evenings. I have dinner. I do my homework. I watch TV. Then I go to bed. Now let's talk about your weekend. Where do you go at the weekend? Where do you go at the weekend? I go to the park at the weekend. I go to the park at the weekend. What games do you play at the weekend? What games do you play at the weekend? I play computer games. I play computer games. Who do you play with? Who do you play with? I play with my friends. I play with my friends. What do you do with your family at the weekend? What do you do with your family at the weekend? We usually eat at the restaurant. We usually eat at the restaurant. Tell me about more things you do at the weekend. Tell me about more things you do at the weekend. I go shopping. I visit my grandparents. আজকের ভিডিও এই পর্যন্তই। আরও ভালো ভালো ভিডিও পেতে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে সঙ্গে থাকো।